Hi, Dark Reality is here, and today we are off playing some other indie games. This one is Avatar on the Edge. I don't usually play indie games, but I'm gonna play with my brother, so, oh crap. Create session. This is my first time with my brother playing the game, not mine, so. I've never really played this game that well. Lou, I'm inviting you now. Tough, you can join, because I'm recording. Oh, he's appearing offline, I forgot. We both are. I can't invite you to the game for some reason. I don't know why I can't invite you. Lou, appear online. Can you not host private games on this? Oh, I don't think you can invite people. I think Sean has Xbox Live now. Hang on, guys. Let me just. Oh. Alright, guys, we're back. Let's change to the construction. And right. So, guys, my mic has stopped working on my headphones for some reason. So. I've never been good at this game. Like, I didn't play it much. Da 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 da. Mad skills. No! Oh, I'm actually at the beginning again. No, come on. Lou, what lap are you on? Oh, you're late. How the hell did you... How the fuck did you get there? I want to do a loop-de-loop now. How do you restart? Lou, how do you restart? Oh. Yep, you are. Am I in front of you, Lou? For fuck's sake! Oh, no, you gotta be kidding me. Da 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 da. My brother's like, no! Da 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 da. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. I want that too. Fuck off, Lou! Stop raging, we're recording. Stop acting all hard while we're recording. No! That hurt my throat. Oh, you're right there. I'm on top of you. I thought you were gonna miss the building then. Press X when you do after you do tricks, Lou. You get a boost. No! Oh my god, that was just pure luck. Stop crying. No, why am I doing that? This isn't Skate 3. Shouldn't this count as lap 3? This is bullshit. How do I have to do a whole lap again? Rage! Oh. Lap 3. What lap does it say you're on, Lou? Are you actually? I've gone the complete wrong way, I just realised that. Where does it want me to go? There's no checkpoints around here. Ah, there we go. Lou, what lap does it say you're on? I'm still on lap 3. You're on lap 4. What? How are you on lap 4? Oh my god. Sorry, I'm not talking much about anything else, guys, but I'm concentrating right now on beating my brother. Lap 4. I keep missing the checkpoints. Alright, fuck this. Yep. Okay, guys, that was Avatar on the Edge, but I'm gonna call it AOTE for short. So yeah.